Hello friends, what's up? I am now Rosalie. I have brought another new tutorial for you guys. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to make selections for different photos. For different photos we are having different type of selection in different tools. If I want to just select this rectangular area, this box, so I will use another selection. If I want to select this kind of photos which the color of this skin matches the background, so I will use another tool. If I am having one color behind my photo, so I will use another tool. So we can use one tool for all, but that will be difficult if we want to just select and crop it easily, so we have to use different tools. So let's get started. The first thing that I'll show you is to rectangular marquee tool. If I can select this rectangular box with rectangular marquee tool as well. If I just drag it, hold and drag it down, so there I have selected. Once you have selected, you can change the color as well. Image adjustments, color balance, I can change the color. If I zoom out, so this is how we select the rectangular areas and the block areas. Well, I can just make a selection of this box by my there is, if you are having a circle area, so you can just use this elliptical marquee tool, but right now we are not having, so we cannot. Okay, and then we have lasso tool. You can make selection freely if you want to make a selection. So we cannot make selection of these areas because our hand our hand is not that much smooth to just go through one way, so we cannot select properly. For that we have to use polygonal lasso tool. So see how it does work. Again we are having selection. And the third one, magnetic lasso tool. If I just hit here, it will automatically select the areas. So the best thing for rectangular boxes, areas, I prefer you polygonal and this rectangular marquee tool. Okay, come right over next image. Okay, if I just make I cannot make selection with the polygonal lasso tool. Well, I can, but that will be a bit difficult for me. So for that I am going to, if I use quick selection tool, so it will select but there we have a problem that it will also select the white areas on the skin. If I just use magic wand tool, so it will also have the same problem, but I will just make a selection of this photo in quick edit mask mode. So the shortcut key is Q, and it exists beneath these two colors. Okay, how to make selection? Once you have added in mask mode, then press B for brush tool right here, and then just decrease the size, then you can apply. I'm doing it roughly. If you want to make your selection perfect, so you have to be a bit careful. Right now I don't want this photo to be selected, so I'm doing it roughly. And once you have done, and again edit it in normal mode, again press Q, Okay, now if I just inverse my selection by coming to select inverse, and then now I can just select and just do some adjustments with my this photo. So you can see, and if we move further to this photo, we can select this photo by our magic wand tool. Okay, yeah, we can just make selection by this tool easily, but I prefer you for the hair, especially for the hair selection. We must edit that one in quick edit mask mode. If I just edit in quick mask mode, so if I just zoom it, and you can see that the areas on the hair, these little hairs are not being selected, and even some white areas have been selected. So for that, if you want to remove, so you should use erase tool. Shortcut key is E, right here, erase tool. The area which you don't want to select, so you can remove it with erase tool. And if you want to make selection of the hair, so again B for brush tool, and then you can just if you zoom in, so you can work properly, and then you will have best selection for your hairs. This is the best way for me, I think, to just make a selection for hairs. Here we are done. Okay, again edit in normal mode, and then if I just inverse the selection, come right over select and inverse, and then if I want to just make the copy, press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, paste, and then you will have it. And if I just make a free transform, Ctrl T, and by holding Alt plus Shift and increase the size, just put it here, right click, flip horizontal, put it here, and then just lower the opacity. So this is if you want to if you want to make it black and white, Control Shift U. So we are having a cool photo. So this is how we make selection, guys. There are different ways for you to just make selections, so that totally depends on you how to make how you make selection. If I just make selection with this electrical marquee tool, and then if I drag only my this area will be selected. So see, there are different methods, so that totally depends on you. So this is the selection of photos. Thank you guys, I hope you have enjoyed, and this is Mavin production. See you next time. Thank you.